بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
One of the very painful sights in Karbala is when the Imam Salamullahi alayhi Ruhi lahul fida had already fought all alone. He had ended up on the ground. The family members of the Imam had realized that. How did they realize? Some say the horse of the Imam had gone to the tents. The women and children thought that their father is back, their uncle is back, their brother is back, coming out to see the horse without its rider, filled with blood. The women and children came to run to find Abu Abdullah. Brothers and sisters, usually we have heard the lady Zainab in the story. You hear that she is there witnessing what happens. But brothers and sisters, there's another story there as well. The story is another soldier of Imam al-Husayn. It says Abdullah ibn Hassan, the orphan of Imam al-Mujtaba, seeing his uncle on the ground helpless, seeing the enemy above his head with a sword ready to strike, could not stand this scene. Abdullah runs to his uncle, faces the enemy. Look at the bravery of the son of Imam al-Hasan. I will not allow you to strike my uncle. But Abdullah, you don't have any weapons, you don't have any shield, but I have my hands. He extended his hands to protect his uncle. The enemy strike, reminiscent of Abu al-Fadl al-Abbas. Abdullah ibn Hassan also loses his hands. Imagine what happens in the hearts of Imam al-Husayn. Abdullah, why didn't you stay with your aunt Zainab? Abdullah, it pains me that I cannot help you. ألا لعنة الله على القوم الظالمين وسيعلم الذين ظلموا أي منقلب